Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. A few days ago on my Saturday live, I asked you if you want me to talk about Clappingo again, and a lot of you said yes, so here is the video. A lot of you have actually been asking me on Instagram how to use this application, whether you should use it or not. Whether you should use it or not, I have already answered that question in this video. So if you want, you can watch that. This video will specifically focus on how to use this application, and maybe I'll give a little bit more of my reviews. If you do not know what Clappingo is an English learning platform where you have Indian tutors who are very fluent in English. So you have to pay a certain amount. You have to buy one of their packs. If you think that you are lagging behind, let's say you are stammering, or you fumble a lot, or you do not know grammar, then you can specifically tackle that area of interest of yours with the help of those tutors. Okay, now let's jump straight into how to use Clappingo for those of you who were asking me. So if you are using Clappingo for the first time, you have to enter your mobile number and you will get an OTP on the number that you just put in. You have to enter that OTP here. After that, set a password for your account. Just set any safe password that you want. Now just enter these details and these details will be visible to your tutor. Then if you scroll down, you will see video library of different topics and you will see session topics. You can access all this after you make relevant payments, and you can also book a demo class for only ₹1. For that, just click on the demo class, make payment, and then book a class with any of the tutors. All of the tutors are well qualified. Just select a date and select when you are available. You also have to check the teacher's availability. Here you can see what your upcoming sessions are. You will also get a text message confirming the same, and then you can check out all these session topics after you buy a plan. So then you can check whether you want to learn these topics specifically or not. It's completely up to you whether you want to discuss these topics or you want to talk about something which is completely of your own discretion. So that is something that has flexibility. Here you can see your upcoming and your past sessions, and you have a referral code. If somebody joins Clappingo based on your referral code, then you will get ₹100. You also get this referral bonus. I think if you take the ₹1 demo class, you can check your past transactions as well and your subscription history as well. So right now I don't have any subscriptions, so I will just make a payment. So here I can go into subscriptions and plans and select what amount I want to pay and which plan I am more comfortable with, depending on how much time I have or what is my commitment level. Then I'll make the payment. I have used my ₹100 coupon. Make the payment using any payment gateway that you are comfortable with using, and here I am using UPI, and thus the payment is made. Now I can see this session topics. I'll click on book a slot and I will see which trainer I want, on what date I want her, and at what time. So I can also select the time slot. Then all these teachers are equally qualified. I think all of them are very fluent, and then I'll select the time and my session is booked. After this I can see my upcoming session, and right below that I can see my topics. If I click on one of my topics, see here I can see topic of the day is travel, so we can talk about this if we want, or else I can just tell them, you have seen my videos, right? I can tell them that I want to talk about something else and they are completely fine with it. But if you don't know what you want to learn, then you can go with the session topics. Here I can see my upcoming sessions and my past sessions again, and I can check my subscriptions too. You can also use Clappingo on website. The process is similar. Just sign up and give your mobile number and you will be able to log in, or if you want to sign up, you can just sign up if it's your first time trying Clappingo. Enter your mobile number and your password. This is very basic, like we use every other application. This is very easy to use. Here you can see everything, your upcoming sessions. The interface is a bit different, but if you just play around with it for like 10 to 12 minutes, you will be able to understand everything. Again, you can see the video library, you can see the referral code, sharing point, you can see word of the day, which is really cool. Here the word of the day is venture, which is a good word, and then you can book a slot for your upcoming sessions. You can see your subscription plans, and you can buy another plan as well if you want to. You have this tiny help portal at the bottom right. You can use this. It's very basic, like every other website. I know you all can use it. Just give it a try if you want to. I think they are adding more and more videos to this. So yeah, give it a try and let me know how you feel about it. If you require any other information about this application, let me know in the comment section down below and I will make that video. If you haven't already, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because it's free and it will help you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.